Is it worth it? That's what we're here today in Frederick to check out this historic house. Not really historic, but it's really old. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and they're asking $460,000. Buyers are already inside. Let's take a look around the outside and head on in. To start, it is very close to the road. And it's a beautiful house. Nice front porch. It is oil heat. It's a big tank on the side. Vinyl siding, metal roof. There's your electric box. Great yard. Pretty flat too. There's your septic out there. There's your well cap right there. Got a nice patio. Just definitely pull that grill away from the house before using it. And they got a mini split for air conditioning. Let's head on inside. Over on the inside, looks like they put in a electric fireplace there, or it could just be aesthetics, but that used to be one of the original stoves. You got a wall unit up there. There is a powder room right here. And basement, we're gonna go check that out in a minute. Into the kitchen, nice space. I think they did a nice job here. I like that they've wrapped that beam.
None of these lights are tight.
Definitely our newer kitchen. Stainless appliances.
More stairs than I want.
Table space.
There's seats there too.
Yeah.
And what do we got here? And laundry in here.
No, you can't, you have to access it from there.
No, that door by the bathroom goes down as well. You don't have to just use the Bilco door. And at the top of the steps, we have another bedroom, or a bedroom. Good space. Another mini split. And beautiful bathroom here. They did a real nice job on this bathroom. Toilet sounds like it's running. Oh, they even got a bidet. And I think bedroom 2, where they don't have a door, just curtains. But wait, and there's more. Oh wow. While we're here, let's look at this roof. Seemingly in okay condition, but it definitely needs a paint job and probably a couple patchwork here and there. Let's head on up to level 3. And we have another room over here. Looks like they're using it as a closet. A really cool space. Small, but a cool space. Let's see if we can't check out that cellar. Creepy basement time. Let's go look. And like the rest of the house, these stairs are super steep. Alright. Tons of light down here. Gravel floor. Looks like they parged these walls up a good bit and put some dry lock on them. Panel has definitely been upgraded. A lot of PVC, not so much copper. And that's condensing, that's just dripping. No leaks. Dehumidifier, water heater from '04. Pressure tank for the well. Looks newer. And that was actually from 23. And we got some sediment filters up here. And there's a, doesn't look like it's hooked up, but it does look like it's newer. So this is probably what ran the oil furnace, but I think they took that stuff out. Let's see if we can find an age here. Not seeing an age on that. 25? All right, now I'm confused. So it's not hooked up, but it's installed. That's weird. And there's the oil tap right there. And at one point they did have a wood stove in here. That's what that cover's for. Really cool house. Really cool house. I don't think it's gonna work for these buyers. These steps are kind of like almost like a ladder. And they're downsizing and they don't want this many steps. So we've been up, we've been down, we've been in, we've been out. Do you think, is it worth it?